Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to win Monopoly Go tournaments. Now it's an extremely easy process. Now first, just simply open your Monopoly Go game. Now, once your game is opened, just simply first close all the pop-ups that might appear in front of you. Now as you can see, there are a lot of tournaments that are going on currently, and this is one of them. As you can see, it came as a pop-up. Now, in order to win this or at least come at the top 10, you have to do a lot of things. So first all you have to do is collect over here to collect whatever reward you may get. Now, for the first tournament, just simply complete the tasks given to you over here. Now, the task will be completely different and it will totally depend on the particular tournament that's going on. So, you'll find your task right over here and then complete that. Now, once you've done that, you will enter inside the tournament. And now again, remember, the moment you will enter a tournament, you should have decent amount of dices because you will need a lot of dices to even come in the top 10. So make sure that you have enough dices. Now there is also a trick that you can apply to actually win big prizes in the tournament. So let's say for example, if a tournament is going to start and let's say there is 24 hours left before it's finished. Now what you have to do is the moment you see the tournament have begun, stop playing the game entirely, and meanwhile the dices will also keep on generating and increase in number. Now what you have to do is just simply remember the time when the tournament is going to end, and then after that just simply enter the tournament just 10 minutes before it's about to end. So that way you will be able to land in top 10 and then you will be able to get decent amount of prizes. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.